just so that you know and so you have a fighting chance. Without this, you can't tell that this stuff right here is a super strong acid. You can't tell or know for sure if water is really 7 pH. You've got to see this for yourself. But I tell you this, the longer you put it off, the worse you're going to get. If you drink and eat lots of things like this that are really strong acids, Gatorade and Coca-Cola and apple juice and orange juices and things like that, and never drink water and never do anything to offset those, the first thing's going to start to happen is your joints are probably going to get weak, whether it's knee, back, wrist, gouty kind of feeling. And all you have to do is come up with what you need to counteract those things on a simple basis. I use vitamins or vitamin supplements. They work really great to neutralize the acids. I'll use this especially if my bone joints are off. This happens to be calcium, magnesium with zinc. And now you got to remember that these drinks too have a lot of sugar in them. So what you need to do is you need to neutralize the sugar as well, because the sugars are going to build up in your system, and over a long term you're going to end up with, well, everybody tells you you're going to get diabetes, but basically what's happening is you're starting to rot away. So the best thing to do for that, I've found for myself, is every time I have some sugars, I have something to counteract it. I'll counteract it with, this is Acidophilus Bifidus, and this is usually found in the refrigerator in a health food store. And this one happens to have 10 billion active cells in 180 capsules. It really works, especially if you've already been diagnosed with diabetes or high blood sugar or whatever. I found this one's not refrigerated. This one's called Aquaflora. And the other beautiful thing is, other than the fact that they are neutralizing sugar, is that these are also really high in pH. This one happens to be 12.5 pH. And this one is at 12.5 to 13 pH. They don't taste like anything, but they sure will counteract and nullify a sugar, as well as giving you a boost of alkalinity for your joints and your bones. If you maintain your joints and your bones and you keep the sugar nullified, you won't get cancers, and you'll be able to avoid getting diabetes and all of that kind of stuff. So there, that's all I'm going to say about that. But if you see me, ask me for some of these so you'll have a fighting chance and know what you're talking about. Thanks. Talk to you later.